Hello everyone, today I'm going to review my Gateway of India. I don't think most of you have heard of it, because, yeah, the world. But the Gateway of India is a very beautiful place, not far from the largest, well, one of the largest cities in India, called Mumbai. And it's right next to the ocean, and this is what it looks like. So now let me show you the details of what I've built. So first, let's start with the towers up top. These are supposed to be a very different color, but we've just chosen these for now. Then we have these two pillars with these other two coming down, which looks very nice. And then these two extendy parts come out there. And then this grill that looks very nice. And in the real Gateway of India, there actually is a grill that looks just like this that you can see right through. It's really cool. And by the way, this has no back for a reason. And also, the back looks like this. It's kind of a mess. But there is no inside to it because there is no inside to it. It's supposed to have no inside. So now we come to this part, which is just some slopes that I've put. And also, we have a bunch of plants. In the real Gateway of India, it's just a giant concrete ground, but I've just put these here to make it look nicer. So, I would love to credit my friend Andy for helping me build this. This was partly his work. And then these trees you've definitely seen in a video before if you've been watching on my channel for a while. And now we reached the end of the video, sadly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!